How to delete videos you have watched on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you delete videos you have watched on Facebook. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Facebook app with your account. After you open Facebook, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the top left, tap on your profile picture. From your profile section, tap on three dots. From profile settings, tap on activity log. And from the section, simply tap on search icon at the top right. From here, in the search bar, search for videos you have watched. After you search for that, you can find a lot of videos that you have watched from your account. Simply from here, if you want to remove or delete, simply tap on the three dots just at the right hand section of that video. After that, simply tap on delete, and that's it. This is the process you can repeat to delete videos you have watched on Facebook. If you found this helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.